Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a beginner tutorial on how to create a Solana wallet using Phantom. You are a beginner who is so enthusiastic about trading meme coins in Solana ecosystem. This video is for you because you'll be needing a Solana wallet. So what do you do as a beginner who wants to start trading meme coins in Solana ecosystem? You just go to Play Store if you are using an Android, and if you are using an iPhone, you go to Apple Store. So all you'll be doing is you searching for what we call Phantom Wallet. So you see Phantom Wallet right here. You see Phantom Wallet, Phantom Solana Wallet, and right here you see Phantom. This is why you are using Phantom. Phantom gives us a broader, it has more features in what we are looking for to navigate through trading Solana meme coins. There are a lot of Solana wallets as well. So let's just type in Solana wallet and see out some of those wallets that are there. So in Solana wallets, right here we have Flare and we have Phantom. So all these are very good Solana wallets you can use for storing your Solana cryptocurrency. So but right here we are using Phantom, and Phantom is the most used app for trading Solana meme coins. So right now I've downloaded mine already. So if you are watching this, just follow this step by step and also download yours. So after downloading, what's next? Let's go to our app, and now after downloading, we are going to be creating a wallet, that's a Solana wallet. And in this video too, is not just how to create a Solana wallet using Phantom. I'm also going to be showing you how you can make a deposit after creating this wallet, but that should be in another video, guys. So this one is strictly for how to create a successful Solana wallet using Phantom. So what do? Right here, you type I agree to the terms and condition. If you already have a wallet, you are going to be importing your phrase here if you have the phrase stored somewhere. But since you are a beginner, you don't have this wallet, or so you don't have this wallet. So what do? You click on create a new wallet right here. So right now you have created a new wallet. Okay, let's go back again. It says create new wallet. First of all, agree at the terms of condition, then come to here. You say continue with email. If you want to create this wallet, continue with email. So and it will be good if you create this wallet using your email, because with your email it will be easy for you in case you lost your phrase, or in case you lost your phrase, it could be easy for you to like come access your wallet in case you lost your phrase, or let's say you lost your phone. So now let's click on create with email. Now because I'm using an Android, I'll be using Google email. If you are using an iPhone, then just know that you continue with Apple. So let's log in. Then I'm going to be choosing one of accounts right here. So I'm blowing out this part, to keep my stuff private. So let me just take one of these right here. Now I click on continue. So now it's now processing. Now it has already been processed. So what's next? You are going to be setting in your PIN, the PIN that you use in logging in. You can also set your PIN or your fingerprint as well. So let me just set a PIN for the sake of this tutorial. I'll be using 1 2 3 4. This is just a tutorial video, so I might delete this. I won't even use this account for anything, so I'll delete it. So I'm just using this popular number 1234 just for the tutorial case. So I'll just click on continue right here. Then I'll confirm 1 2 3 4. Then I continue. Say create pin, right? So our wallet is creating now. So let's patiently wait for it as it load. So now our wallet is done creating. So what do? You say authenticate device, use device authentication. So if I want to use my fingerprint, I'll just click here. But if I don't want to use my fingerprint, I'll just switch in. I'll continue using my password. So this particular choice is optional to you. But for an instance, you might forget your password. So if you are that kind of person that will one day forget your password, I'll advise you, authenticate your device by using your fingerprint. So but if I don't want, I'll just click next. So you are all done. You can see, you guys feel the sound, right? And this is how it's going to be when you are creating this as a newbie, as a beginner in this space. Want to create a Solana and start trading meme coins and make profit. This is how to create the wallet. So what do we do next? You say get started. And boom, we are all set. So to get instant updates, you can just click on enable right here, and that's all. Guys, you are all set. Now you can see your Solana wallet has been created successfully. So you can navigate through the explorer and see things for yourself. So coming to the explorer part right here, okay, now you can see right here is where we do the thing. This is where what we call Jupiter, the pump.fun, the desk screener, and all that. And these are the trending coins in the market, making millions for thousands of dollars and millions for people. So this is it. And so in my next video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fund your wallet. How you can fund your wallet in this Solana meme space, the Solana ecosystem, right? How you can fund your Solana, yeah, fund your balance. So that's what we are going to be discussing in our next video. So if you like this video, do well to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post lovely content like what you're watching right now. And I hope and believe that this video is helpful and give you what you're looking for and clear all the FANQs and all the confusions and all. So guys, thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.